Hello, young learners. Today we have an exciting list of 10 things, starting with the letter B. Perfect for children aged 5 and under. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1, a ball. We all have lots of balls, don't we? Different colours, different sizes. They're great for playing outdoors. Cats and dogs even like playing with them too. Number 2, bananas. Bananas grow on banana trees in hot tropical countries. They're a delicious, tasty snack that you can have any day. Number 3, butterflies. Butterflies can be found all around the world, and they come in a most wonderful range of different colours. Look at that. Number 4, blocks. Building blocks are amazing. You can make any shape you want. Look at that. I made this tower. Uh-oh. Cheeky monkey. Number 5, bears. You've probably got a teddy bear at home, and look at this one. That's a polar bear, a little polar bear cub and its mum. How sweet. Number 6, boats. Boats come in lots of different shapes and sizes. You might be lucky enough one day to sail on a boat. Look at that water. Doesn't that look amazing? How cool it would be. Number 7, books. Books are amazing for adults and children. You can learn about millions of different things in lots of different ways. Number 8, bubbles. Everybody loves playing with bubbles. You can even find bubbles in the sea. Look at those air bubbles rising up through the water. Number 9, bees. Bees are amazing pollinators in the animal kingdom. They take the pollen off the leaves and take it back to the hives, and they turn it into honey. That's how we get honey. And finally, number 10, babies. We were all one once. Such fun. And look at that cute baby koala in the wild. Thanks for watching. See you again.